Solidarity.
Ruhonge rwa Kmpdu ni rwo Kenya Medical Practioners and Dentists Union nimonanitie kwaga kuiganira ni kugathikwo kwa Dereti ya Social Health Insurance mwaka wa 2023 makiuga wona ya hiokio Akenya matanyihirie milioni 3 ni makurego muigana wa shilingi 8,500 o mweri hatari kwerirwo kwamukira motungata maya.
Social Health Insurance Act 2023 as an impediment to healthcare access by Kenyans. We all know that on 19th of October 2023, the government of Kenya signed 4 bills into law and into acts.
Ruhonge ruru makiria mugete ati gicunje gitanyihire 80 kia andu aria marutaga wira ruhonge citari cia thirikari magucungiririo kuongererwo gicunje kiao o mwaka mugaru na runaho a thirikari aria marirengagwo o mweri kuona kuringana na gicunje kia 43 gia thigatiba ni watho wao maratunywo.
That these civil servants with their dependents must be given a comprehensive cover, and if that is not possible, then their medical allowance must be returned forthwith. And that's the demand we are giving to government on that. And we are not just giving that demand because we are going to take also legal address over that. Because with the Social Health Insurance Act as it is, it breaches the constitutional requirement at Article 43 and also the collective bargaining agreements of the union and the employer.
Kmpdu mathiete na mbere na kuga marihi ma Dereti no ni marikinyanagirio ni mbeca cia Akenya aria marihaga magoti makiendekithia kigina giki kihagwo ni county kuhetukira ruhonge rwa kugwathika kigina mugaru na kuramatwo ni ruhonge rwa Social Health Authority kuona ndu uyu ni ukunina hinya ugai wa
that on the appointed day the fund shall not provide enhanced benefit scheme or packages to all that are benefiting from it. I must say that this essentially means that the comprehensive medical cover for all the civil servants and the county employees and their dependents will cease to be in existence once this bill is adopted.
Muthia Kmpdu mugete bodi ya Social Health Authority nirarugoria mutaratara hatari kuruhania kanjo ya magavana iria niyo ikinyanagira mautungata ma ugima wa mwiri na gicunje kia 40.
The regulations without the board and even part of the Council of Governors that should be part of these are not there. We are seeing other stakeholders are not part of that regulation that are being put in place. So it will just be an intelligence exercise, just like the one we had with the bills, whereby the regulations have been made and they've been passed and people are just left suffering in the hope that they will be achieving anything.
Girifotera Muthingi TV, Jetagwo Njeri wa Ndungu.
Solidarity for all.
Haya.